welcome to Uncomplicated. My name is Melanie and this is Goddess. Also, let's not forget Rosie, my car or storage unit for everything van. Thanks for tuning in, and let's see what I get up to today. Welcome back to Uncomplicated. Happy New Year. It's a new year and it's new stuff to do. I don't really know what I'm doing today. I came up here because I was meant to have an operation on my wrist for my carpal tunnel and that was cancelled. This whole weekend I was meant to be sitting at home feeling sorry for myself and healing. And that didn't happen. And I was bored, but it was raining most of the time, so I didn't really want to leave the house either. Today the sun is out, so I thought I'll come up here, but oh boy is it cold. So what am I doing today? I'm not entirely sure, but this is amazing. This is really tough now. Ooh, I like it. And so I kind of did that twice with varnish. It's great. It does make me wonder whether I need to do the other ones as well. They are also not as tight as this or as hard as this. Whatever I'm going to do, I need to do something indoors because let's face it, it is really cold outside. So I brought some stuff in that I took from my dad's house. It will come in quite handy, as the only thing I didn't have were knives. Epoxy crystal clear. I needed to have a better glue to keep the seal on the door because, well, as you can see, the glue that I used did not work. I don't know how this works. I have not tried that yet. It's going to be a very sticky situation. Also, I kind of hoped I was going to just work on something indoors, but it just occurred to me I will have to open this door entirely in order to do that. Okay then. All surfaces should be clean and free of grease and oil. Done. To improve adhesion, rough and smooth surfaces with sandpaper before gluing. Protect work area from spills. Done. Remove. Let's get one out. Remove black cap from middle of plunger. With tip still upward, eliminate air and ensure even dispensing by slowly pushing plunger and resin at the tip. Well, I'm going to have to take this off. Surely it doesn't say that, but if I want to push anything out, that needs to go. Dispense even amounts of resin and hardener into a clean disposable surface. The package blister can be used as mixing tray. Ah, I see. Mix for at least 20 seconds until mixture is uniform. Apply to surface within. Oh, I see. Okay. So I'm not applying it with this, I'm applying it with the other thing. But the plunger is not going down. Don't know why. Oh, it is now. It is now. Mixing. Definitely looks like a lot of glue. Okay, I do not have a long time. Okay, I can actually go in between like this. Okay then. So the brush isn't doing a great job with the varnish because it leaves all these little black bits of brush everywhere, and I'm not entirely sure varnish will go well with a roller, but it's not very even and I can see the streaks. I don't like it. I'm going to give it a try. So it seems to go on a little bit more evenly with a roller. Having said that, it looks very yellow. And I'm not entirely sure this is great. Technically speaking, great for cleaning after, but it is very streaky. And dirty as well, because every bit of dust is now in that coat. I'm going to leave this as my trial piece. I think the furniture will be alright. corner down there is now more or less dry with the bin bag that Helen put on the outside of the van to keep the rain from coming in. Yesterday we had monsoon type rain and this stayed dry. However, up in this corner I can already see the discoloration. There's blue now on the outside of the styrofoam, which basically ran from the blue buttons down to the styrofoam. I'm kind of glad I used these blue wood buttons now. Yeah, this is completely soaked as well. So, ooh, this is actually dripping wet. Yeah, this entire corner's had it. I don't know what to do now with this, basically. Especially because it's just so cold outside and you don't really want to work outside. I shall figure it out somehow. Ooh, look who's coming now. Come on in.
Ooh, it's a bit strong smelling.
I know. Let's not stay too long in here today.
Ooh, what have you been doing?
Well, I was varnishing stuff. Hang on, before you get it on your top.
Oh,
Put it over here. Put it over here. I ruined the wall with varnish because I thought, let's give that a varnish too. Makes it easier to clean. It looks horrendous.
How's our corner looking?
Okay, you don't want to know, basically, because if you touch the top, then everything's wet. The bottom's now dry, but it all.
yeah. So I covered it in a black bag on the bottom.
Yeah.
But the top is now wet.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. I know.
This seems up. This that there's that bit there's alright.
Yay!
Just that bit. Just look at that. Don't look at anything else. I thought we'd done so well.
Yeah, me too. I don't know.
But at least I saved that corner.
Yeah, you did. Wait.
I saved the corner.
I mean, somebody has to save something because I seem to make messes wherever I go right now. So
because that when I come in here, before I, trying to put a black bag taped to the corner of that in wind. Yeah.
Why did you not film this?
Yeah, literally, it would have been a you've been framed moment. We could have made 250 quid here. I should have done that. But
I can't put it closer together. This is as close and as sticky together as it can get. And I mean, it was already a task on that side to put a screw in,
Yeah.
So I don't really know what to do. But yesterday was it was the monsoon yesterday, let's face it.
Oh God, yesterday was awful.
Yeah. Yeah, it sucks, doesn't it? Yeah. I think I'm done for the day. I did destroy the wall colour by varnishing it, hoping it would make it a little bit less tough to clean. But I think what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to buy some kitchen and bathroom wall. I'm going to buy some kitchen and bathroom wall colour instead, and put that over it. With the furniture it's slightly different. I think I need to go the varnishing route. It looks not as bright white now, but if the colour of the wall is slightly different, it'll still look very white, so I'm gonna go with that. I gave those another coat on the Hessian fabric with varnish, touched up where it needed white paint and varnished the frame. So they should be good to go on. So next week I can actually put the handles on these. And the kitchen cupboard I've already varnished, so next week I should also be able to put the kitchen cupboard doors back on, because I've done the same with the kitchen cupboard doors. I gently tucked on the seal around the door that I now glued on with this resin epoxy type glue. This seems to hold, but I'll reserve judgment until next week, because if I open the door then it'll just go and poof and comes back off again, then also that didn't work and ruined the frame of the door at the same time. Can't even tell you. I mean, I'm so disappointed that this wall is now completely wet on that side. The seal of the door didn't go as smoothly and looks really bad in my eyes, and I'm also not particularly happy with how it turned out once I varnished the furniture. Yeah, I don't know. We'll wait and see. Let's see next week how I feel about all of this. In the meantime, I shall wait until this dries, because I need to get out of here. It smells so bad. Stick with me. It'll get better. I swear one day I'm going to start building stuff. On that note, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment down below if you have something to say about this wonderful damp, the new damp we now found. And yeah, see what happens next week. Thanks guys. See you later. Bye.